so calm tonight, like I'm floating into space. I feel my anger now vanishing